Alone, someone trying to crunch the ever-changing interest rates to figure out what's best for their mortgage plan. Today, the bank signaled another drop in interest rates, but does that give homeowners the green light to review their mortgage options? Amanda Ferguson with the answer.
Okay, Connie, so I'm looking at this mortgage statement here, and
it's back to the books for condo owner Connie DeVos. DeVos has a fixed mortgage, but she's considering refinancing to save some cash, if the numbers add up.
A couple of months ago when, interest rates kept going down and we're locked in at 6%. So, it's quite interesting to have a look now to see if we can get lower and better rates.
Today, the Bank of Canada gave homeowners good reason to think about reviewing their mortgage options. An interest rate cut of 0.5%, its lowest rate ever.
I've always been watching, interest rates, but yeah, that it went this low, that's definitely a surprise, yeah.
But is the time right to review your mortgage options? This financial expert says yes, but only if you're locked into paying more than 5%.
People who are in a fixed mortgage right now, they may want to consider refinancing, especially if they have like consumer debt, credit cards, etc., that they could consolidate into the mortgage and really take advantage of those lower rates.
A lot of people don't like the idea of renegotiating their mortgage contract because they don't want to be hit with a penalty. But experts say paying the penalty right now can result in huge dividends later on.
It's very easy to see how many years or months it would take to make up that penalty that you might end up paying. And then anything beyond, say, that first 2 years or 3 years is pure gravy. It's money in your pocket.
It works like this. Say you have a mortgage of $200,000 over 25 years at 7%. You're stuck paying a total of more than $200,000 in interest. But if you renegotiate a lower interest rate, say 3%, the savings would easily pay for any penalty, and then some. Yet despite the rock bottom rate, locking in on a fixed mortgage may not pay out in the long run.
Most bankers have no better idea than you or I what interest rates will be 4 or 5 years from now. So what they do is they build in a premium. It's basically stacking the deck in their favor as to what interest rates will be. And so people with fixed rate mortgages, on average, pay more interest. Yeah, exactly. You're saving $228 a month.
The numbers are compelling enough for this condo owner to refinance in hopes of putting the money to good use.
Well, maybe even put it down on the mortgage again to, pay it down faster.
Mortgage experts also recommend that you meet with your bank or broker right away to weigh out your options because it's unlikely that the interest rate will go down any further. Well, the wheels are certainly spinning over at City Hall over a proposed plan to improve the roads for cyclists.